In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your projects from your iMovie on your iPhone to your actual phone so you can save it to your computer and things like that. So if you have a project here, you would simply just click the project and go to the bottom to the share button that's in the middle. You can save or share a video or export project. We're going to hit the share video, and from this point you can choose to share it to someone via text message. You can AirDrop it to a connected device to make it really easy. And if you were to hit the share button once again and select export project, you basically have the same options, but being able to share it maybe with someone else or maybe attach it to an email. Whatever you really want to do, you're able to do pretty simply from your phone. And it's easier if you have a compatible computer like a MacBook Pro or anything like that, so that you can get your projects to a bigger space. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and make sure you like and subscribe for some more tips. See ya.